guys, welcome back to Learn to Code. In today's video, I'm sure that you guys gonna be very excited about this video because last video I said tomorrow I will post a video about how to make a game. So now this is what it is. But what game? That might be interesting. But this game isn't very hard yet because I'll try to make more games and it will get more harder and harder. But this game isn't hard yet. This is kind of easy, It's actually a very easy game. And in this game, the important thing that you have to know is X and Y. What is X? What is Y? So I will explain later. Okay, firstly, the game name is a chase game. So you might be wondering what is a chase game. So chase game, have you ever seen you're chasing maybe the tiger is chasing the deer like that? So today we're making a chasing game. But in here, I can't find any tiger or any deer, so what I use an octopus, and then I will also, let me make a new file. I'll also, use a star, and the octopus will chase the star, kind of a starfish like that. Okay, so this is how the game gonna work. And in here of the octopus and the starfish, you can use any sprite, but we just want to learn about X and Y the mostly. So in the description box below, I will explain about X and Y in the description box below. But over here, I will also talk and explain about X and Y. So in this game, if you don't know about X and Y, it might be different code, but if you know about X and Y, this game can be very easy. It's just like a beginner game. But right now, it might be still hard if you didn't know about X and Y. So X and Y is actually very important for this game because we're using X and Y the most in this game. So other blocks you already know, but I haven't told you about X and Y yet. And if you haven't checked out, I think it's tutorial 2, I think Imagine the World, and in that video, I told you about the main thing of the blocks, but I didn't explain you about X and Y. So firstly, I want to explain about X and Y first, but I will just explain for just a short. So please make sure that you open the description box below and check out what I write. And in the description, I wrote about X and Y. And you can also go and check out, okay? Before you make this game, go and check out that first because, you have to know that first. So firstly, I'm going to delete the cat and let me explain about that first. So, what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what we got. We got X and Y over here. This is the one that I wanted to explain with. I will delete the backdrop later. So this is what is mean about X and Y. So Y mean when you jump, it go up and then it go down back. So for example, when you're jumping, it's go up and then it's go down back. So one is going up, you said Y, but one is also going down, you also said Y. But the differences between them is when it's going up, that you said no, you just said a number. So I will set an example of number 10. So it means Y is 10, and then you go up. And the number is how depends as you want to go to the forest you can. So then it is when you come back down from jumping, that means Y again, but here we add negative. And we can actually say minus. It means minus plus a number. So I'm setting an example of number 10, so that means minus 10. minus 10. Like that. So when you go up, you didn't need any minus or negative, okay? But we call it negative the most. Negative 10, negative 8, negative 7. You just add a number. But then, when it's come back down, we use negative. Just like in x. So y means you just know about how you jump and come back down. This is just a very great example. So next is x. So x means like when you go to the right and to the left. So over here, we got x and this x. And just like in y, there is minus x and yes, negative 8, or I'm sorry, just a number. So if you go to this side, that means like, you see here, minus 200, minus 100. But I'm setting an example of 10, so it might be minus 10, minus 200 is okay. Any number, just plus minus plus a number. So maybe minus plus 10. So y and x is not the same. Y means when you go up and when you go down. But x means when you go right and when you go to the left. Like that, okay? So another side is negative. I'm sorry, this is just a number. Like when you said like 100, 200, just like going to the up. But right now, we're going to x right now. And like, you don't need any minus or negative. Okay, this is depends. You just need a number, and the number depends on how far as you want it to go. And the numbers for y, the number depends on how high or how low as you want it to go. Like that. So if you want to know more about x and y, I'll put the note in the description box below. Please go and check it out first, but I already explained about it. And for y, just remember of like when you jump up and when you finish jumping, like it's come down back. So like that. But for x, right, we go right and left. Okay? We go right and left like that, okay? So I'm gonna delete the backdrop because we actually don't need that backdrop. I just want to explain about it. So let me go back to the backdrop. Okay, let's delete this backdrop firstly. Okay, done. So what we learned is about x and y. You can also see x and y over here. So this is how depends how you want to go up or low, how you want to go how far. Okay? And mostly x and y is on the motion ballot. But over here I just have backdrop, so we can't do with backdrop x and y, so I can't show you now. So let's go back to the game. If you want to know more about x and y, please read the note that I give in the description box below. Yeah, and now let's go into the game. The game we're making is called chase game. So firstly, we're gonna get a backdrop, and over here, now where the octopus and starfish live? Yeah, you're right. It is in. Yes, it's underwater. And if here we go like underwater and underwater 2. Underwater 2 looks realistic, but I think I will go with underwater 1 because it looks so colorful and very nice. Over here, let's add a sprite 2. Over here, go to edibles and let's get the octopus first. Then we can get the star when we finish coding. Where's the octopus? Mr. Octopus, where are you? I don't know. Let's just search for you. Sometimes like you can't find it. Yeah, you see that now. And the octopus has so many costumes. Even have like a pirate costume. I really like that octopus so much. But we're gonna do just it. And let's move over here. I wanted to show another tip. You know what it means? A tip. This tip is actually a very useful tip. Exactly when you make cool projects. So for example, over here we got x, and x should be 0. And then y also should be 0, that means you go into the middle of the backdrop. You see, this is the middle. If you want to like go to the middle and you can't guess which is the middle, and like if you do it like you're sure that this is not the middle, please make sure you change x to 0 and y to 0, and that means go into the middle, which is a great tip to learn, okay? And yeah, and it's actually a very great tip to learn. Over here then, let's add some code. So over here we want it to go to the right, which is negative with negative, okay? Just remember, if you go up for y, let's go to the y section 5. First, up means no negative, no minus. I'll go for minus because most of the people said minus, 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 but actually negative. But let's go with minus because it's actually a minus. Yeah, but when you type, there's no negative, there is just minus. But when you do it a number, you call it negative something, okay? So y, if you go to up, that means no minus. Okay, if you go back to down, there is a minus. But if you go for the x section, if you go to the right, there is no minus. If you go to the left, there is a minus, like that, okay? So, we mean like very like simple if you know, okay? So, over here, let's go to events and get one space key press. And in your space, we're going to go to right arrow key pressed. Then one right arrow key pressed, then something going to happen. What's something going to happen? I don't know. Now I know. So we're going to go to motion and start from X and Y. What did I say? I said we're going to go to the X first. So change X by 10, but what it should be is it should be 10 or negative 10 or negative something, a number. Yes, you're right. It should be 10. Just remember, if you go to the right, there is no minus, but if you go to the left, there is a minus or a negative. Over here, we don't need a negative or a minus, okay? So then, when we press the left arrow for opposite of the right, which we're going to need a minus or a negative, okay? Over here, let me just say minus because most of the people said minus, 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 minus. I just heard a minus before, but when I learned like a little bit more, I know that it isn't a minus, it's a negative. So, when I just start code, I actually call like that. But, we don't say like that actually. So, over here, y, change y by, over here we say negative 10. Yeah, that's more better than minus 10. So then, we're going to go to the up, which is going to be the section y. So over here, let's go to event and get one space key press. And I actually get the rounding of here, so it might be not work. Sorry guys, I have to get negative 10 over here. This way, this situation, we're going to go to the not barrier. What do you think, guys? Is there going to be a negative or not? Yes, there is not a negative because when you go to the up, you don't need a negative. But when you go to the down, you don't need a negative. You need a negative or a minus, like that. So in that situation, I think you guys understand pretty much. And if you read the notes in description box below, I think you're gonna be more understand. So over here we have to get y because we already done x. So if you're here, we don't need and negative. I actually like writing negative. Yeah. No, x and y is actually not very difficult if you learn. No, just keep learning. And if it's not work, please watch the video for again and again because if you try and try, you're gonna be the best coder. If it didn't work for the first time, don't let it go. You can try it for the second time. You always have a chance. It always has tomorrow. So if it didn't work for today, if you're wasting time, you can go back to tomorrow. Okay, like that. Okay. Over here, in that situation, we have to get down arrow because we already done. Yeah, you're right. It's the opposite. on the top, which is going to be, yes, there's going to be a negative or a minus, which is going to be a negative 10. But please don't call it minus 10. Minus 10 is not like the thing that we call, okay? So, done. Let's choose a sprite first, and then we can finish the coding then. And then, today, I think, should I add a score or not? But, when we make a game, we definitely need a score. But the thing in that way is, like, if you don't need a score, you can just finish it. But, like, no, we're not done yet. We're not done yet, okay? I mean later. I will say when you can finish it. But if you add score, that means better. Because, you can see your score. How many can you chase? Like that, okay? So let's add a sprite. And I don't want to waste my time anymore. So let's just search over here. Like, I'm wasting my time. I don't have so much time. So over here, let's get the star. I actually have a starfish. I can just get a star. The star is actually very beautiful. I don't know where to put, but I'm sure that I will not put. Maybe let's put like over here. Okay, that should be more better. So over here, we're gonna go to events. Wasting my time. 1 green for clicks. I don't really think if I can post this video today. Maybe I can post tomorrow for 2 videos. 1 green flag click, then something gonna happen. But I'm trying my best with folks. So over here, let's go to control. Let me finish the video first. But if it didn't work, and if you don't understand, please watch again. Forever. Then let's go to, I think maybe should I glide or should I point toward? Okay, so I think we should glide. No, in here for gliding, I think we will just glide for a random position because I don't want to use XY now. Because when you have to do that exactly the direction. So it's in motion. Sorry guys. 1 second to random position. I think 1 second is enough. Not so quick. Maybe if you don't want 1 second, you can do anything else. Okay, let's go to events back. Guys, actually, I don't really know. Let's do one green flag click again. And then let's get another forever over here. Hopefully that is a work situation because I haven't tried this before. I just have an idea, so I don't really know if it's gonna work or not. Hopefully it's worked, guys. Let's bring the cars. If it didn't work, I'll try to fix my problem. But I'm not very sure if it's work or not. But I think it didn't work. So let's go to sensing. No. Let's go to motion this time. And get let's get I don't know. Let's go to control firstly and get if then out. Not if then out, just if then, and then go back to sensing. And you can get touching mouse pointer. And over here, mouse pointer, we're gonna set the octopus. Okay. Oh no. I actually missed it, guys. This code is for the octopus. Okay. I think this is another tip to learn. Because we can put it in the octopus and see if there. Oh, is in there. Come on, go into there. Can I see now? No, where is it? Yes, there is. Okay, so we can delete this code now. We don't need it. Sorry guys, I'm actually in a rush. Let's get the star over here, not the octopus this time because we don't need an octopus now. And if touching the star, then something gonna happen. What's something gonna happen? Maybe you can do any effect. Maybe you can change the color or anything. I think I will play the sound. Let's go to the sound category and get maybe like, I haven't tried this sound before, and this sound. Sounds like a winning sound, so I would like to choose it, and yeah, let's do until done. Play sound 1 until done. Okay, and I don't know. Should we create a variable? Yes, let's create a variable now. So over here, variables. Let's make a variable called score, and let's press OK. And over here, then do for the octopus again. Okay, make sure that it's right, not happen like me. Over here, then let's go to events and get 1 green flag. Click. Then go to control and get. Oh, my time is done. I'm doing the video so long, forever. Then okay, I think we don't need this. Maybe we can try the fast situation. Let's go just to the variable and get change my variable. And over here, we're gonna change my variable. We're gonna put this over in front of it, okay? Over here like this. And here we're gonna change my score to 1. And before it, we're gonna set my variable to 0, which we're gonna do it when it started. And here we're gonna choose score. And I hope it works. So let's see how it works. So hopefully it works. Finger crossed, guys. Ready, steady, go. Let's press the green flag. How does that work? Oh, guys. Oh, I have to move it. Okay, the star is actually moving so quick, I can say. Because come on, go, go, go. Go, 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 go. I can't believe it's working. I don't know what to do, but actually it works. Very good. You see, we created a game. Firstly, game. As out, I didn't even go, and it actually. Let's just wait and come because I'm so busy now. I don't want to do it. Actually, a very good, because if I didn't do it, because if I'm not pressing, okay, past the octopus. So if we set the green flag, okay. So firstly, we also wanted to do over here on the octopus. Sorry, guys. We're gonna go to motion and get set to X00 again over here, which is gonna make it see. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And this project, I'm gonna be also sharing to scratchmit.edu. So yeah, I will also share about this project, and I will put the link of that project in the description box below, so you can also go and play that game. That shall be good, but make sure, I think you have to use your computer to play that game, because, because we have right arrow and left arrow, Okay, anyway, so I hope you like this video. Yeah, and I'm actually very, very much sorry about that. Okay, I will put the link of the project that I will share. This project that I share. And also, I'll put the link, not the link, I will put the note in the description box below, which is about X and Y, okay? See you later. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Oh, no, not bye. I want to say that I changed my posting date. Yeah, I changed my posting date again. Sorry, I'm changing my posting date for so many times, and I hope this is the last time that I change. So my video posting date is now every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Yeah, and this is, I post video for 4 days. Is it a good news or a bad news? Yeah, I'm sure, and I hope that you said this is good news because I'm posting 4 videos a week now. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.